This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, from the basics for your registered course. Let's get started with what is data engineering, why we need it, the black box, our actual classes. Let's do it slowly, step by step. And I could see one chat message from Uday Shankar. Hope this demo session. Yes, you're right. Let's continue anyway. Yes, Uday, you are right, sir. Let's understand slowly what is engineering and why we need it, what we are going to learn in our classes, and what kind of certification and job roles we can aim for. So agenda for today's class would be what is database, first minute, what is warehouse, next couple of minutes, need for ETL, a new item for us from tomorrow for practice. What is engineering, the components, the prerequisites, and the course takeaways. Okay, well, we'll do slowly step by step, then we go for questions. What is database? Yes, it is a platform. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no exceptions at all. Now, who is going to manage, who is going to design, who is going to administer and test databases? It is you, me, data engineers, and or our project teams, other project teams. I mean, every project needs OLTP databases. Developers will take care of design. Management, DBS will take care. Every project needs data warehouse. Design and management, we need to take care. That is data engineering. And we have analytics layer, OLAP. Separate teams will take care. We say BI developers and Power BI. As we keep gaining experience as a data engineer, we need to touch base with this colorful Power BI box also. So our course is completely into data warehouse layer. We need to learn the left and right of it as well practically in our classes. And here it is. As a data engineer, we need to bring data from files, unstructured data, and OLTP, operational databases, structured data, both. We are going to consolidate the data, collectively format the data, join, group by, merge, filter, case statements, ranking, etc. Perform ETL, and then finally load the data into warehouse. So warehouse is our final storeroom for the data. So this complete black box is what we need to learn in our classes from tomorrow. ETL and warehouse. How to proceed? In ETL, there are two different approaches. Open source, Microsoft. Data warehouse also two different approaches. Open source, Microsoft. We need to learn all these combinations. Open source ETL, Microsoft ETL. Open source warehouse, Microsoft warehouse. And then we need to also learn how to integrate them together. Remember, our main purpose as a data engineer, we need to read, collect the data from various sources left and store it in our warehouse, the big box. From there, AI tools, data scientists, data analysts, they consume the warehouse data for their day-to-day analytic needs. So what is engineering? It's all about design of warehouse, data extraction, cleansing, and transformations. Design of warehouse. In this process, perform storage, security, and optimizations. We need to learn storage components, ETL components, and integration components with AI. artificial intelligence AI activities. They are now part of Azure. Microsoft included AI in open source ETL and open source data warehouse implementations. Spark, Python, ETL, Spark SQL, PySpark, Scala. They have AI components within the Azure portal. As on date, Data Factory and Synapse do not have AI components from Azure portal. Things may be different if you travel with third-party tools. So we have AI, part of our classes, open source ETL, open source warehouse. To make our things easier and simple, I repeat once again on my screen. In our data engineering, it's all about backend data, playing with data. Front end is Power BI. Data engineering involves various types of data sources, open source ETL, Microsoft ETL, and the bridge. Open source warehouse, Microsoft warehouse, and the bridge. As simple as that. Accordingly, we have certifications also. Core Data Engineering DP203, Power BI PL300, those are the base items to practically implement next upcoming technology Fabric 600, DP600. So if you look into DP600 certification content, it includes complete DP203 and PL300. I mean, if you are planning for Fabric certification, you need not do data engineer Power BI certification separately, not required, because their content is included there, and hence our learning process. I repeat, the learning plan: revise MS SQL concepts during your free time. Constraints, joins, normal forms, merge, rank, basic tuning should be fine, like join options, procedure recompilations, lock-ins. Basic tuning should be enough, indexes, etc. Procedure function basic should be fine. Step into our data engineering. If in case you are looking for a refresher kind of course, please do let me know after the class for SQL alone. We are into core engineering from tomorrow, the black box. We'll do data factory, data lake, Databricks, PySpark, Synapse, IoT, logic apps, big data, ETL, and so on. The black box plan for 2 months, Power BI 1 month separately, Fabric we have separate 2 months course now. Okay, total set of boxes 6 months journey. Out of entire 6 months journey, we are into 2 months data engineering. Let's understand what we are going to learn in this data engineering. With your prior knowledge of MS SQL, we are going to start with Azure fundamentals tomorrow. Slowly step into databases, something called data warehouse, pools. Pools are nothing but data warehouse. Pool is the Microsoft data warehouse, and we have something called as storage activities, storage concepts, stream analytics, Databricks, and data factory, Synapse Analytics, Key Vaults, Active Directory, also called Microsoft Entra, ENTRA, Entra we call, IoT, Event Hubs, Monitor Alerts, and Logic Apps. These are the Azure concepts we need to learn practically from tomorrow one by one. In this journey, we'll talk about ETL and data warehouse concepts, and we need to learn about the cloud and big data concepts. We need to learn them. We need to understand the concept of migrations, web applications. We need to learn them carefully. We need to learn something called live data stream activities, Spark clusters, ETL, PySpark, notebooks, something called widgets, nothing but parameters. So keeping in mind this concept, I was listing procedure function basics. We know procedure function basics in MS SQL. Learning widgets is very simple, straightforward. Parameters in PySpark, workflows, pipelines, incremental loads, and so on. I assume we are new to all these terms. We'll start from the scratch. Experience profiles. You may opt for Power BI, a separate 7 tools, 2 hosting environments, 1 month course Power BI separately. Next, what's the actual purpose of these Azure concepts? Let's go there slowly. Our entire course is divided into 3 modules. We need to work with storage components, with migrations, IoT, streaming activities, etc. Open source Databricks and PySpark modules. Here we'll take Python from scratch. We'll take the required level of Python needed for data engineers. And if in case you wanted to learn more on Python, we have other learning options. The 1 month, 2 month, 3 months Python training classes with us separately. Different trainers will be handling them. But whatever Python we learn from scratch to the required level of ETL will suffice for a day-to-day data engineer job role. We have data factory and Synapse with end-to-end integrations, part of our classes. So this is our day-wise course plan. I'll be providing you all this content anyway. I request you to take print copies of this content. More importantly, the project work for our resume. We'll be working with multiple types of unstructured data elements. Understand how to make it structured, semi-structured, and handle the data filters, aggregations, staging, incremental loads, aggregated loads, so on. We'll make it work for our resume. Trust me. From here, the complete synopsis of whatever we learned for last, say, 18 to 20 minutes. Here it is. What is data engineering? An art of designing structures to perform ETL into data warehouse activities. ETL plus data warehouse. In olden days, data engineering used to be only for data warehouse design with ETL. Now, not just warehouse, even analytic structures, semantic models, etc. So what we are going to learn? Storage concepts or storage components we need to learn. ETL components we need to learn. Data warehouse components and few other components. Total of 4 different categories. And from there, we need to work, of course, everything practical. From there, we have project work. Either you can start working on it from second week of the course or get complete requirement, solution, FAQs as per your comfort and learning need. In case you are planning for certification, you have the detailed document, a 400 pages PDF with the latest dump or latest samples for DP203 certification. Prerequisites. Please visit our website and install 2019 or higher. Request you to have a card, debit card or credit card from your end so that you will activate the Azure free trial yourself. Your Azure free trial. Valid for 30 days. New account or convert to pay account after 30 days if needed. If you go for paid account, it will be charging you about $25 to $30 per month if we follow the instructions carefully. But still, I recommend you try to have a free account only. After 30 days, I need to fetch a new friend to lend me a new card, new mobile number. Try to get it if possible. I repeat again, complete notes, assignments, I will take care. On time practice and the prerequisite, you please take care. The prerequisite is MS SQL. Please install SQL Server and also revise constraints, joins, basics for now. SP basics by later classes. That should be fine. With this, here is the notes just to make it clear. I said our entire course is into 3 different modules, right? Whenever we start the module, we'll start data factory Synapse module from tomorrow. You'll be receiving the complete documents first. We'll be going by day-wise notes anyway. Things are bit detailed, not bit more detailed. So you'll be receiving the complete step-by-step document. I request you to take print copy of the notes so that we can get maximum concentration and maximum benefit from our live classes. Take print copies of the notes beforehand, everyday notes. And next, apart from this, I was talking about the print copies, right? Something like this. Every module have the print copies. You'll take the notes, print, and we are going to follow it as is. Minor modifications may be there here and there because in cloud, the user interface would have sometimes modifications. Options may change. Options may, I don't want to say change, but I would like to say improve. Improved user interface sometimes, not always. Especially a Databricks module, you may see changes now and often. Whereas other two modules, changes are bit rare. The portals are very much stabilized from Microsoft. So changes, if any, I need to again recompile the notes and send it to you along with the class session content. Next, FAQs. Day-wise FAQs I'll take care, or the concept-wise FAQs, project, requirement, solution plan, solution explanation, I will take care. First you'll attempt it, then I'll be providing you my solution to you along with the resume preparation one-to-one. We'll do it anyway, but need your support. Tell me, how many hours you can practice per day? Please, I'll wait. Please, I'll wait. Minimum 1 hour everyone, please, I'll wait. Please help me. Please, I'll wait. Minimum 1 hour everyone, please, I'll wait. Yeah, Srihari, fine. Others, please use your mic. Please use your mic. Please. I could see few
One.
chat
We can split
messages.
1 to
Please
2
use
hours.
mics. Please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir. We can
Minimum
prepare
one
one to
hour
two
everyone,
hours.
please. I'll wait, please. Others, please. I'll wait, please. Yep. I'll wait for some time, please. I'll wait. Minimum 1 hour everyone, please. I'll wait. Please use mics, please.
Yes, sir, we can do it. I can do it.
Others, please. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Others, please. I'll wait, please. Others.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Others, please. I'll wait, please. Now, thank you. Attendees have been responsive. For them, I need to send one extra information, revision queries. Okay, I'll do. That's how we do, friends. Please, we are in a class. You respond to my questions. I have to give you more. You do more, you get more. That's how we do. Others, curriculum is safe. No problem. Really, friends, you are hearing it right. We do the same thing. There will be extras everywhere for every module. Okay. You practice more, you get more and more. For every course, every class, I do the same thing. You have your own style of learning. I have my own style of filtering the participants. I'll do it very carefully. We are safe. I am safe. Really, please help me. I am 42 now. I started my journey with 2005 Microsoft as a full-time employee. 2008, I lost my job when I was in US, Redmond, Merrill Lynch Bank project. Hope you heard about it. Merrill Lynch Bank, it got bankrupted, 2008 recession. Project got lost. We were kicked back. Again, I need to start my journey from ground zero. So I love my subject. Please help me. We do more, we get more. Let me put this way. For today, for example, friends, today, okay, I will be very specific and straight. There are procedure basics class was sent to good number of participants 1 hour back, my 8 o'clock batch, 7:30, 8 o'clock batch. But few participants were very responsive. They got extra FAQs. That's how we do. And sometimes we'll be having free workshops also. Not always, sometimes. And in case you would like to take part in such workshops, I request you to make sure you do your best. Please help me. I think I got one such mail last month. We had again having another workshop this week again coming. It all depends. Okay, please help me. We practice more, we respond more, we get more and more. I always say, you filter your trainer. I have to filter my participants. Please help me. So I want only interested, interactive participants in the class. Please help me. Please. so that we can
Sure,
work
sir.
together, right? Please. Thank you so much. And now, power to you for questions, clarifications, if any. Attendees have been responsive for my questions. Kindly check your mail now. Already sent. Our team is doing the needful. Kindly check. Attendees have been responsive for my questions. Email already sent. Please check. Others, as usual, you have the course
I have
curriculum.
not received yet.
You'll go through it carefully. Already sent, sir. Might be on the way. Might be on the way. I'll wait for some time.
Okay.
Please, everyone. Minimum 1 hour practice every day. Please help me. I'll wait. Please. Please, everyone. Minimum 1 hour practice every day. Please help me. Minimum 1 hour, please. I'll wait. Please.
Sure, sir. 1 hour. We can do.
Please, everyone. Please. I'll wait. Please.
Yes, sure.
Please.
Right.
Sure,
Perfect.
Sai.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Perfect.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you so much. Thank you. Friends, tell me
Yeah,
one thing.
definitely would.
Yeah, if
Yeah.
I am
Sure, sir.
interactive, if I am cautious, if I am serious, course will be correctly in a proper shape, right? What do you say, please? Everyone, yes? Agree? Yep.
Yeah,
Yes or
definitely.
no?
Yes, I.
Isn't it, friends? I
Yes.
have to filter.
Right.
Yeah, please. I have to filter the participants. You need to filter your trainer. Then course goes in a correct way. Otherwise,
And
relations abruptly. Please. Relations play vital role.
Sai, sir, basically you are expecting here as a industrial level training, something like that. If someone go to directly company, they can work. That's why you are. I
Exactly.
have means I have the expectation from you. It's not like that as a fresh or something like that. Or basic things. If you go a little bit deeper dive on that topic, then it's too good for us. So that we, if you join some company,
Exactly.
then you can work directly. You will not get any blocker on that case.
Exactly, sir.
And
Yeah, we are going to. Yeah, you are right. You are on the right track, sir. Yeah, we are on the right.
and
Okay, let me put
and
this
the
way.
second okay, and the second question is that regarding this Microsoft Fabrics, the in Azure Data Engineer is the Microsoft Fabric is using, or what is the case? Or why you put that in our Excel sheet, Microsoft
Got it.
Fabrics?
I understood. Let me first answer the first question, sir. Very simple. It is like a deep dive. The classes will be very detailed and deep dive, okay, with common errors, solutions, etc. Pros and cons, best practices, and so on. First thing. Number two, coming to your second question, yes, the reason for me to include Fabric is number one, technical dependency. If in case you want to step into Fabric in future, practically, yes, we need to have data engineering concepts with us. That is mandatory to step into Fabric. So I could see like few attendees going for Fabric. So their dependency, the prerequisite is data engineering, very much required. In data engineering, we pay for each piece separately. You know, data factory license is different, Synapse license is different, data lake separate license, etc. We have separate class for licensing and pricing. Require it. Whereas Fabric, it's like a thali or a buffet. You got my point now. Data engineering is like a la carte. Fabric is like a buffet. As simple as that. Single license. But not many companies, truly speaking, not many companies are ready to invest in new license for Fabric at this moment, because Fabric is undergoing lot of revisits and re-engineering activities in the recent past. It is just 1.5 year old technology, and still some more time is required to assess its success factor. And we are at the safe zone data engineering projects right now for big data handling and ETL. Hope you got the answer. If not, still
Yeah, got it.
please let
Yeah.
me know.
Anyway,
Fine,
I
sir.
will check the profile for Azure Data Engineering. Is the Fabric is required or not? Then after that, I will raise more question on that topic.
Surely. Give me time. We'll do one by one. Sure, we'll do. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Please help me. Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine, friends. So please help me practice thoroughly. Minimum 45 minutes to 1 hour every day. Please. Things are a bit lengthy, and you have video for every class, but I request you to depend more on the notes. Take print copies of the notes. The notes will be very much detailed step by step. Trust the notes, practice it carefully, do the assignments, submit them on time or max by weekend. I'll try my best to make sure things are clear, straightforward, and useful. And I want you to do the same. On time practice required throughout the course. Do let me know for questions, clarifications, if any. Glad to assist you. We'll stop for now. You'll be receiving the email shortly. If not, I shall wait anyway. Think you might have received it already. Please check it. I'll wait, please. We'll stop for now. Please check it. I'll wait, please.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one, brother. Let me put this way. Without MS SQL, no, we cannot
I received
learn.
the email, sir. Thank you.
Fine, sister. Thank you. Without MS SQL, we cannot proceed for majority concepts of data engineering. Let me tell you. For example, see, tomorrow we are going to learn the fundamentals in a way, like starting from the scratch of Azure. And by day after tomorrow, we need to start our core ETL engineering activities. And there comes Azure SQL Server day after tomorrow. If time permits, second half of tomorrow, if not day after, we'll take Azure SQL Server. We are new to Azure SQL Server, but to understand the actual operations on top of it, we need MS SQL. Getting it, sir? We need it.
Okay. Sir. Yeah.
So please step into MS SQL first, get the basics carefully, then step into data engineering. We need to know what we are learning, why we are learning, when to use, how to use. So let's make it very, very specific. Okay. Things are very interesting. Trust me, things are very, very interesting, but we need to practice the things carefully on time. That's it. Next
Thank you,
question.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine, friends. Any more questions? I'll wait, please. Sailaja Sripati. Minor background sound, madam. Please check your mic. Yeah. Fine, friends. Thank you. Have a nice time. Please complete the things carefully and meeting from tomorrow to start from the scratch. Let's do it
Sir,
with
sir, this is Rina.
all our effort. Thank you. Have a nice time. Thank you so much.